Chapter 1. Maritime Terminology.
Generally terminology. Ship defined as a floating vessel which is self-propelled and capable of carrying cargo.
A vehicle designed for passenger or transportation by water. A vessel that floats on water. Floating craft which transports cargo for the purpose of earning revenues. One vessel is a ship or a boat.
Second is voyage, a long journey involving travel by sea or in space. Third, cargo, goods carried in or on a ship, example fruit, furniture, vegetable. Fourth, container, is a steel box designed to enable good to be sent from door to door without the contents being handled. 5, salvage, property saved from loss or damage at sea. Action taken to save a ship, her equipment or cargo from loss or damage at sea. 6, shipyard, place where ships are built or repair. 7, stevedores, which is person work at the port. The main function is to load, stow, unload ships, synonyms with docker. 8, loading, unloading, to place or unplaced goods in a ship. 9, laytime, I'm allowed by the ship owner to the voyager character or B, L-hold in which to load, discharge the cargoes, expressed as a number of days, hours or a number of tonnes per day. Parts of ship. First is hull, which is the main body of the ship. Second, rudder, a flat piece of wood or other material at the back of a boat or plane that is moved to change the direction of travel. 3, funnel or chimney, a tube that lets out smoke and steam from the engine of a boat. 4, bow, which is the front part of a ship. 5, stern, which is the back part of a ship. 5, starboard, which is the right side of a ship. 6, port side, which is the left side of a ship. 7, anchor, a heavy object that is dropped into the water to prevent a boat from moving. 8, deck, which is one of the levels on a ship floor or horizontal surface extending from one side of a ship to another. 9, superstructure, which is the part of a shipyard is above the main deck. 10, waterline, which is the highest point where water touches the side of a boat. 11, propeller, a piece of equipment with blades that spin, used for moving a ship or aircraft. 12, bridge, which is the part of a ship from which it is controlled. 13, cargo hold or hatches, which is the area in a plane or ship that is used for good, vehicle or bags. You guys can see, this parts of elements a ship. Ship structure element. First, keel, which is centerline backbone of ship. N runs the length of the ship. Transverse framing system. It were 2 types, which is first transverse, extend outward from keel. Second, longitudinal, parallel to keel, run length of ship. Third, bottom, floor of a ship or sometime we called a levels. Next point, horizontal partition that from tiers. Furthermore, the main deck is uppermost complete deck. 4, bulkhead. It is part of a ship's synonym wall. Next point, horizontal partition that from compartment. Furthermore, can either be structural or non-structural. This is picture of ship's structural components. 5, doors, which is passenger between space on same level, can be watertight. 6, hatches, passenger between space on different levels, and most are watertight boundaries. Compartment numbering deck. meaning space is located on this deck. Upper levels are 0, 1, 0, 2 successively from main, which is main deck is 1. N lower decks are 2, 3, 4 successively from main. This picture part of compartment numberings. Thank you guys for watching this content.